Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. You got the net right, you know what that means. It means I had a delivery. Woo! Here it is, delivery. Now, which company is it? I made two orders, one before the other. One responded to me saying they were getting it ready, and the other said they dispatched it. So, is it Deramores, who I ordered from before, who only said that they'd get it ready, or is it the Secret Yarn Company? Well, it is Deramores. Oh, and it's sizable. This is an unboxing. This is a box, believe it or not. For all intents and purposes of this here video, this is a box just made of polythene and without sides. So it's an unboxing. Whoa, there's lots of tape on it. I've got to try and get in it without damaging anything. And oh, hang on, goes that way. So sorry about all this, but I can get in easy if I cut along there, because that's the flap over bit. Right, we're in. Don't need to cut anymore. So I actually forgotten some of the things I've ordered, which is, you know, pretty much normal for me. I see one thing. A little while ago, I ordered this ball to try in was it navy blue? But yeah, I suppose it was a navy blue, but not the darkest of navy blues. And it was called Pearls, and I quite liked it. It feels really nice. So I ordered a red one and this fuchsia pink one. It's got these little, see what it looks like? It's like a crinkly yarn and then a little tufty ball. And it's really nice feel. It's got a cord-like feel. You know when you have a pull cord, it's all silky. That is exactly what it feels like. It's very, very silky. And this pink and a dark red. I thought Fluffy was trying to get out, but she's not. So I do have a dark blue. I now have these two colours, and I was going to use these to edge a project, as I thought that little tufty ball would look fairly cute as a border. So yeah, that was my intention, but now I've got three. So let's see what the yarn band says. Let's get my little light out. 100% polyester. There is 117 meters or 128 yards. Now this one's called Pomegranate 1216. It's made by Stylecraft and it's called Pearls. So that's cool, isn't it? I like that a lot. I liked the blue one, so that's why I thought I'd order some more. And this one here is the fuchsia pink one. Let's see what it says about colour. Wow, couldn't be more right. Look, colour is fuchsia and it's number 1211 if you wanted to order it. Same stuff, you know, yardage, meterage and makeup, you know, same polyester. But I really like the silky feel of it, to be honest with you. What does it say about washing? 30 degrees machine washable. Well, that's not bad. Not bad at all. It's quite thin. It's quite a thin yarn. I have seen some DK yarns this size. So I don't think it's overly small. But I quite like that. So what's this? This is Wondersoft merry-go-round double knitting. I've never seen this before, so I thought I would give it a try. Merry-go-round. I've never heard of it. Anyone used it? If you have, just let me know in the comment section what you thought of it and everything. But this is 100% premium acrylic, 274 meters or 312 yards. It is machine washable to 40 degrees, which is not bad at all, is it? And what does it say colour-wise? Pink lilac, and it's 3119. And I'd actually, for once, I'd agree. It's pink with lilac. So yeah, I did get a few. I've got 1, 2, oh, I wish I had bigger fingers, 3. I'm not sure if 3 is all there is, but I've got 3 for now. I'll put them over there. I really like this Wondersoft. It is pretty soft. It's premium acrylic, so it ought to be. But yeah, that's nice. I like that. So that's a hit so far. And what we got in here? Now these, I decided to give these a little try. These are Deramores Studio Anti-Pilling. They're 25 grams, but they were 50p. So I guess I didn't expect them to be quite so small and diddy. But yeah, not bad, I suppose. Price-wise, it's not too bad. So they're 25 grams. Oh, heck. 2.5 meters or 68 yards. 100% acrylic. Very, very soft, mind you. And I never get this up the right way. I need somebody shoot me now. Rose, it's called 70038. And that's not bad. It's got a lovely silky sheen. And it's not too thin. Some of their DK 3-weight yarn can be pretty thin, but I like the colour. I did get a few little ones to try. I think, is this the same? Yeah, I got another one. And I got this colour, which is kind of like a dusky mauve. That's more true. Isn't that a lovely sheen? Look at that. So, what we got here, same, you know, logistics. And this one's called Heather, 70046. But this is all on very special offer at the moment. Pretty good prices. It looks a bit bleached out when you hold it there, but here that's the right colour. And I'm not sure if there's any more in there or not. Ah, yes. This one. This is a different colour again. Same, you know, range. This is called Peony. That's a lovely colour. And I got all these to go together to kind of complement. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Nice little scheme of colours. I'm not sure if there's any more in here because you know what it's like, sleep ordering. Another one of those. I've got a feeling I got 2 of each. There we go. So yeah, that might be a little project somewhere down the line. Maybe. So this looks... Oh, I like the look of this. Like the feel of it. I've had Boho Spirit before by Cygnet. Cygnet never used to be my favourite yarn. It used to be Well Rough. You know, the cheap range in this country was Cygnet. Now it's come up in the world rather a lot. Bit like a Skoda car. You know, no one wanted them. Now they are very sought after because they're pretty quick. So got bought out by a good company. That's why. We're not doing cars. So this is Cygnet Boho Chunky, and it feels divine and it looks pretty good. Look at that. Isn't it lovely? What colours? So let's see what we got here. This is Zeal, and the number's 2338. Zeal. It's very zeally, if zealy's a word. 100 grams, 100% premium acrylic, warm machine wash at 40 degrees. So again, pretty decent kind of care instructions. So that's not bad. But that is beautiful. And I've got a few. I've got one. That's different. Oh, what have we got here? I did think I'd try a few different ones out. This one, oh, it's called Zeal. It's the same. It's just obviously all those colours are in there. Which isn't that good when you get them different so you can see that, you know, inside there are these colours. Isn't that nice? I like it even more now I've seen that. So then we have 3. And I'm not sure if this is another Zeal. Is it you, Zeal? It is, but look. So I've got 2. I can't believe they're the same. Surely not. They've got to be different, haven't they? Let's have a look at the numbers. 2338. Upside down. Always upside down. 2338. They are. So, wow. What a drastic change of colour that is in there. Am I getting a phone call? I don't know. I've now buried the phone in yarn, so I'm not likely to be getting one at the minute. So I've got 4 of those. And then I decided to give this a try. I have got some Caron Simply Soft already, but I really liked the colour of this one. So I thought I'd have a little look. Isn't that a beautiful colour? It almost looks two-tone. You know when you see that purpley blue, almost two-tone. And this is called Violet, which I would definitely agree with, but I would call it ultraviolet. I wouldn't call it violet. To me is lighter. But this is the usual Yarnspirations Caron Simply Soft, 6 ounces, which is 170.1 grams. Let's get the light. 315 yards, 288 meters, and it's a 4 weight. And anything else? Looking for the washing instructions. Can I see it? No. Why can't I see it? Are there any? Probably just display it differently, but isn't that beautiful? And I've got at least 2 of those. Seriously can't remember what I've ordered. So I love those. They're lovely. And I like the fact that they're not 100 grams. You know what I mean? So many times you order yarn and it's 100 grams, 50 grams, 100 grams. So this one as well, this is a Caron Simply Soft again, but it's a nice yellow shade. I really am struggling to find some really decent yellows. This is called Baby Sunshine. Ah, that's a nice name. Baby Sunshine, again a 4 weight. And 100% acrylic, same yardage, all that stuff. So Baby Sunshine is 9785, the number. I like that colour. That's pretty yellow. So they go nice together too. Look at that. So yeah, I like that one. What else do we have? Got another one of those. Ordered 2 of those. In a ugly bag. So what's this? Last, but by no means least, I have never used Bernat yarn. Kid you not, never. So I decided to try. Oh, so soft. Wow. Couple of skeins of this Bernat Softy Baby. And wow, it is crazy soft. So this is my very first time of Bernat Softy Baby, and I know you've probably had this a zillion times across the pond because, you know, it's something you can have a lot of over there. Now this is saying it's a 3. Yeah, it's a 3. 100% acrylic, not even premium acrylic, but wow. Why can't all acrylics be this soft then if this is just acrylic? And it is 5 ounces, which is 140 grams. 362 yards or 331 meters, and I do believe there's a little pattern on the inside. I didn't look to see if they had. There's probably a pattern on here then, if they've all got these little pictures on, so there might be. If not, it'll probably be a link to it. Oh yeah, free pattern on label for this one. Just looking for the number for you. Oh, lavender. 166054. Oh, hang on, no. 54008. There's 2 numbers. The other one's probably not it, but 54008 lavender. I like that a lot, and I got 2 of those. There's a bit of extra free blue fluff attached to that one. No extra charge. But look at that. Look at that sheen. Isn't that beautiful? Gorgeous. So I think I did well. They look nice together, don't they? Don't know. But this is so soft. Really lovely. So my very first ever Bernat. I've got Caron Simply Soft. I've never used it, apart from that little bit of orange that I used to make these. Have I got it here? Like these. But that's how much I used, and it was just with a darning needle. But I've never actually made anything with it. I don't know why. I think it's because I know it's from across the pond, that when I get it, it's like, oh, to be revered and kept intact. But it's not, is it? It's yarn and you're meant to use it. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I love this. This is so nice, and I really love these. Wow, what lovely colours these are. And like I said, it's anti-pilling this, but I didn't get it because it was. I got it because it was on sale. It's 50p a ball. I know they're only tiny balls, but I have to say it's not the thinnest of their DKs that I've ever come across. So I really like those. This is just absolutely stunning, as they say on Stella. Stunning. Look at those. They're the same. Can you believe it? I don't know. I don't know if I'm tripping or what, but if that going to be in there. Yeah, it is. Look, you can see it. So this is great that it shows you the whole entirety of the yarn, that you get this on the inside of this and obviously this on the inside of this. But oh, it's so soft. Seriously. I'm so amazed, because Cygnet used to be, well, rough as anything, but these are lovely. I don't think there's much in the way of yardage here though, because it is so loosely wound and soft. What does it say? Let me see. I can't remember what I said about yardage on this. Don't feel like it'll have a great deal. Would that be it? 100 metres. 100 metres. But it's chunky, not super chunky. It is lovely stuff. Everything I've got is a big thumbs up. I like it. So next up, the Secret Yarn Stash. So we'll have to see what they've got to offer, but I've really like this. I know I've ordered from Deramores rather a lot, but they keep sending me money off. They know how to hook me. Anyway, I'm off. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Take care. And if you have any experience with the Bernat or with that yarn, this one, which I've never heard of before, but I thought I'd give a try, to the Wondersoft merry-go-round, just let me know. That's lovely and soft too. Ooh, goodies. So bye for now. See you soon.